Big costs and bigger crowds. That's what experts say vacationers should expect on spring break this year, as travel bookings hit levels not seen in years.
There is so much pent-up demand out there that people are ready to travel come heck or high water.
A new survey finds more than half of Americans are planning a trip this spring, with more than a third planning to travel during spring break specifically. That soaring demand means surging prices too.
We're seeing prices now in places like Florida even higher than they were pre-pandemic. So not only has travel demand recovered, prices have recovered and then some.
Expedia says airfares are up a whopping 50% compared to last year, and average hotel rates are nearly 20% higher than they were before the pandemic. Of Hopper's top 5 trending destinations this year, 3 are on Florida's Gulf Coast. The Bakers from Birmingham, Alabama, visiting Rosemary Beach, Florida. They say they chose to vacation before the spring break rush, before prices climb even higher.
The deals aren't there like they were.
They were there, but
they were there a year ago. They're not there anymore.
And you're laughing because
just everything. It's so much more expensive.
This year, 3 in 4 American travelers are heading to destinations in the U.S., putting enormous pressure on some of the country's most popular spring break destinations, like Hawaii, Disney and Universal theme parks, and Miami Beach, where the mayor expects tens of thousands of spring breakers to descend on trendy South Beach.
Don't come here to thinking you're going to act in a way differently than you would act in your own hometown.
Last year, unruly crowds forced city officials to enact a curfew and even declare a state of emergency. The Miami Beach mayor saying he hopes to avoid a repeat this year, even going to court to restrict alcohol sales after 2 a.m.
You can't just allow a city to careen into disorder. And we know with this many people coming here, that can easily happen if we don't take appropriate measures.
travel experts say there are still some deals out there, but it depends where you go. The best places to get the deals are in urban areas like San Francisco and right there in New York City, guys.
All right.
Carrie, thank you.
Carrie's legs are out.
Come on,
yeah.
It means it's summer.
I'm glad you said it and I didn't. Yep, shorts out.
There you go.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.